Welcome to Tech Talk Reviews. If you're serious about fitness and nutrition, having the right tools is essential. Best blenders for protein shakes make whipping up smooth, nutrient-packed drinks effortless, saving time while ensuring every shake is perfectly blended for maximum flavor and energy. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started. Number 1. Ninja Foodi Power Nutri Duo. The Ninja Foodi Power Nutri Duo is a powerhouse personal blender designed to handle everything from smoothies to frozen drinks with ease, making it an ideal choice for anyone serious about nutrition and convenience. Its 700-watt motor equipped with pulse technology effortlessly powers through fruits, vegetables, ice, and even tougher ingredients, ensuring a smooth and consistent blend every time. One of the standout features is its nutrient extraction capability, which unlocks vitamins and minerals from whole fruits and vegetables, even those parts that are usually discarded, delivering a highly nutritious drink in every cup. This compact yet versatile blender is perfect for small kitchens as it takes up minimal counter space while still offering full functionality, replacing multiple appliances such as juicers and ice crushers. The 16-ounce single-serve cup allows you to blend directly into a portable container, attach the convenient spout lid, and take your protein shake or smoothie on the go, making it perfect for busy mornings or gym days. The Ninja Foodi Power Nutri Duo is also remarkably easy to clean, with all parts being BPA-free and dishwasher-safe, providing hassle-free maintenance. Users will appreciate the intuitive controls, which make operating this blender simple, even for beginners, while the included 50-recipe guide inspires new ideas for smoothies, protein shakes, sauces, and frozen drinks. From creamy milkshakes to nutrient-packed green smoothies, the Ninja Foodi Power Nutri Duo combines efficiency, convenience, and powerful performance in one compact appliance.
Number 2. Nutribullet Pro 900. The Nutribullet Pro 900 is a trusted personal blender that combines simplicity, power, and efficiency, making it a go-to option for anyone who wants nutrient-rich smoothies or protein shakes without the fuss. With a robust 900-watt motor, it effortlessly blends fruits, vegetables, nuts, and even fibrous ingredients like leafy greens into smooth, drinkable nutrition. Unlike traditional blenders, the Nutribullet's design emphasizes convenience, with easy twist and blend functionality that makes it simple to operate, even for beginners. Its compact footprint ensures it won't clutter your countertop, while the included 24-ounce cup is perfectly sized for individual servings, ideal for post-workout protein shakes or quick breakfast smoothies. The Nutribullet Pro 900 also prioritizes health and safety, as its BPA-free construction ensures no unwanted chemicals leach into your drinks, and its components are dishwasher-safe for quick, stress-free cleanup. The extractor blade is engineered to break down tough plant fibers, maximizing nutrient absorption and making it easy to enjoy whole food nutrition in a single glass. Along with the base motor and cup, the package includes a to-go lid, lip ring, and a recipe book, providing inspiration and convenience for creating new blends every day.
Number 3. Mueller Personal Blender. The Mueller Personal Blender is an efficient, compact, and versatile appliance designed to simplify the process of making smoothies, protein shakes, and juices, making it ideal for anyone seeking convenience without compromising on performance. Its powerful motor and 4 ultra-sharp stainless steel blades allow it to pulverize fresh or frozen fruits and vegetables with ease, delivering consistently smooth blends in seconds. Perfectly sized for individual servings, this personal blender features a portable blending jar with a custom drinking lid, allowing users to blend, lift, and go, which is particularly convenient for busy mornings, gym sessions, or office use. The blender's one-touch power feature makes it exceptionally user-friendly, enabling effortless pulse blending that ensures perfect consistency without any guesswork. Despite its compact size, the Mueller Personal Blender does not compromise on power or functionality, capable of preparing smoothies, protein shakes, salad dressings, and even baby food quickly and efficiently. Its premium food-grade, non-toxic ABS construction provides safety and durability, while its lightweight design makes it easy to store or transport. Cleaning is straightforward, as all components are simple to rinse or place in the dishwasher, saving time and effort for everyday use. This blender also provides versatility for recipe experimentation, whether combining frozen berries with protein powder for a post-workout drink or creating fresh vegetable juices for a nutritious boost.
Number 4. Magic Bullet Blender. The Magic Bullet Blender is a versatile and compact personal blender designed to make blending, mixing, and chopping effortless, making it ideal for protein shakes, smoothies, and small meal preparations. Its 250-watt high-torque power base provides sufficient strength to pulverize fruits, vegetables, and softer ingredients, creating smooth, drinkable blends in just seconds. The Magic Bullet's design emphasizes convenience, with multiple included cups of various sizes, a cross blade, lip rings, and resealable lids, allowing users to blend directly in the cup and enjoy drinks or store them for later use. Its compact footprint ensures it fits easily on any countertop, perfect for small kitchens or dorm rooms. And the included to-go lid adds portability for busy lifestyles. The Magic Bullet's cups are made from durable, high-impact plastic, ensuring longevity while keeping the blender lightweight and portable. Cleanup is simple, as the components can be quickly rinsed or placed in the dishwasher, minimizing maintenance time. Despite its smaller motor power compared to larger blenders, Magic Bullet excels at creating single-serve drinks, making it ideal for individuals or small households. Its intuitive design allows anyone to operate it without effort. Just twist, blend, and enjoy, making it particularly appealing for first-time blender users.
Number 5. Ninja Blast Portable Blender. The Ninja Blast Portable Blender is a powerful and convenient personal blender designed for on-the-go lifestyles, making it perfect for protein shakes, smoothies, and frozen drinks. With its robust blending technology, it effortlessly crushes ice and pulverizes frozen ingredients, delivering consistently smooth, creamy results without the need for separate appliances. Its 18-ounce capacity ensures ample servings while remaining compact enough to carry anywhere, whether heading to the gym, office, or outdoor activity. Cleanup is effortless, as both the vessel and lid are BPA-free and dishwasher-safe, and it also features a self-cleaning option with a 30-second blend cycle using water and a drop of soap. The Ninja Blast Portable Blender is designed for those who value speed, convenience, and versatility, enabling them to enjoy fresh, nutrient-packed drinks anytime and anywhere. When it comes to making protein shakes, having the right blender makes all the difference. From powerful portable options to versatile countertop models, these top blenders deliver smooth, nutrient-packed drinks quickly and efficiently. Whether you're at home, the gym, or on the go, investing in a quality blender ensures your shakes are delicious, convenient, and perfectly blended every time.